back to another episode of Remy's Apprentice, where we will be crafting the blood orange Cava Avocado, cucumber, and El Diablo Margaritas. And hopefully by the end, I won't pass out.
To freedom!
We'll start by making our blood orange sour mix. This will be similar to the simple syrups that we've made in the past, except we will not be simmering to reduce the liquid content. Add a half a cup of water, then a half cup of sugar to a saucepan, getting it just hot enough to dissolve the sugar. While waiting for liquid to get hot enough, squeeze a half cup of gorgeous blood oranges into a bowl, setting aside and waiting for the sugar to dissolve. Once sugar is completely dissolved, add to a container, preferably not plastic, and add your blood orange juice on top, then mixing in. Next, for our hibiscus salt. I couldn't find any at the store, but I did find dry hibiscus in the dried fruit aisle. So when life gives you dried hibiscus, you chop it, add coarse kosher salt before shoveling into a blender and grinding it into small pieces, sifting it through a sieve, and adding your larger pieces to yet more kosher salt for our rims. Man, that seems like a lot of work. Like it should be easier. Next we have our dried ancho or ancho peppers for our chili rim. Grind 3 medium-sized peppers down into a blender before adding in your preferred amount of kosher salt. The first that we'll be mixing today is our blood orange, so start by
rimming your glass
with agave nectar before adding your chili salt. Start by adding 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 ounces blood orange sour mix, 1 ounce orange liqueur from St. Petersburg, Florida, 2 ounces Blanco tequila. Add crushed ice to your glass. Add cup of ice to your mix and shake in a circular motion until shaker creates cool condensation, and then add to your rocks. Next is our cucumber margarita. Start by chopping 3 ounces of cucumber before adding it to a shaker and crushing it. Follow that up with juicing 1 whole lime, 1 ounce orange liqueur, 2 ounces tequila, and 1 ounce agave nectar. Shake and serve on the rocks. Next, we have our El Diablo. Start by quartering 1 jalapeno and chopping 3 ounces of cucumber before adding to a shaker and crushing. Next, add 1 ounce orange liqueur, 1 ounce agave nectar, 2 ounces tequila. Mix and add to your rocks. For our Cava Avocado, we want to add a half peeled avocado to a blender, along with 2 ounces tequila, 2 ounces melon liqueur, 2 ounces lime juice, and 1 ounce agave nectar before adding ice. Blend until smooth and serve. And there they are. Oh wait, don't forget to garnish. Now while you guys look at this, I'm gonna go get my siesta, or fiesta. I'm gonna go get lit. Please like and subscribe, and until next time, cheers.
Salud!